Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 97 and the Miami Hurricanes colorway. Now, this is not an official Miami Hurricanes colorway because Adidas is actually sponsoring the Miami Hurricanes team right now. So Nike can't call us a Miami Hurricanes colorway, but that doesn't mean we can't call it a Miami Hurricanes colorway, which is exactly what a lot of the sneaker blogs and a lot of people who are gonna get this colorway are gonna call it. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Rainforest, White, and Team Orange. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a combination of the synthetic upper as well as 3M detailing and the mesh. Taking a look at the toe, you have the Rainforest colorway as a synthetic upper on the toe box, and you have the mesh, which has a similar color style to the Silver Bullet colorway, and you have the 3M detailing on the toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue in Silver Bullet colorway, as well as the green detailing that wraps around the tongue tag, and the tongue tag is white with the Rainforest green Nike swoosh. The insole is orange with the green Nike swoosh. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the Silver Bullet style color for the mesh, as well as the 3M detailing and the Rainforest green upper. Also, you have the mesh patch, which is also Rainforest green with a white and black Nike swoosh. For the heel, you've got the combination of the Rainforest green as well as the Silver Bullet colored mesh, and you have the pull tab, which is white and orange with the Air Max logo going down it in Rainforest green. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you got the silver mesh as well as the 3M detailing and the green upper as well as the green patch with the white and black Nike swoosh. You have a white midsole with the fully exposed Nike Air Max unit, and you have the black, white, and orange outsole. I'm always a fan of a Miami Hurricanes colorway, so anytime you can get a shoe with Miami Hurricanes on it, it's always going to be an automatic cop for me. A couple of Miami Hurricanes colorway with the fact that this is an Air Max 97, which is one of my favorite Air Maxes of all time. There was no way that I was going to let this shoe pass me by. I don't really have any problems with the silhouette, and it's definitely a clean colorway now that the summer months are here. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Max 97 Miami Hurricanes is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.